I'm Dr. Kamalpreet Kaur. Welcome to my channel Cloud Campus. Moving on to the series of lecture on marketing research, today we'll be discussing classification of marketing research. Marketing research is divided into two. One is problem solving research and another is problem identification research. Problem identification research refers to identifying problems which are not necessarily apparent on the surface and yet exist or are likely to arise in future. So a business may not currently face any issues or problems, but it may happen that such problems may arise in future. For example, due to COVID-19, there is a huge shutdown. So there can be problem in future also. The present sales are declining and maybe the sales decline in future, or it may suddenly rise after this particular situation is over. So problem identification helps to identify such problems and make the business future ready. Problem solving research. Research undertaken to help solve specific marketing problems. So these are the problems which the organization may be currently facing. It may be related to segmentation, product, pricing, promotion, or distribution research. So marketing research helps to solve such kind of issues. Market research is classified into, as we have seen, problem identification research and problem solving research. Problem identification research basically includes market potential research, market share research, market characteristic research, brand image, sales analysis research, forecasting research, business trend research. Now let's see each keyword in detail. Market potential research. What does market potential means? Think for a while. It is the entire size of the market for a product at a specific time. It represents the upper limit of the market for a product. Market potential is usually measured either by sales volume or by sales value. So, for example, the market potential for 10-speed bicycle may be worth rupees 50 lakh units of sales in a particular year. So that is market potential. How many units were sold in a particular year? Market share. A market share study finds the share of the market received by both the company and its major competitors. For example, in a particular month, 10,000 units of cars were sold in a particular region. So, how many units of cars of Honda, Fiat, Audi, or Volkswagen were sold determine the market share. Next is market characteristic research. Market characteristics basically defines the taste, attitude, expectations of the consumers in the market. It includes information on varieties, colors, styles, quality range, technical aspects, and other distinctive features of the product. Next is brand image. Brand image basically refers to what a customer thinks about a product, what it what is the image of the product in the minds of the customer in a market. That is brand image. So, for example, if we think of if we think of complete man, what comes in our mind is Raymond the complete man. So that is what is the brand image Raymond has created. Sales analysis research. A sales analysis study describes sales by territory, size, or model of product. Forecasting research. Forecasting research basically refers to how many units of a product will be sold in a particular month or in a particular year. So suppose if a company is trying to forecast how many units of product will be sold after COVID-19 situation is over. So that is what is forecasting. Will the sales increase or will it decrease? So every company will be forecasting, but naturally. Next is business trend research. What does it mean? Business trends. Trends means changes during specific period of time. What was the sale in last 5 years? And what will be the sale this year and in what will be the sale in next year? So what we are trying to do is we are trying to see the business trends. So there can be a business trend research. So market potential is the entire size of the market. Market share is the share of the market received by the company and its competitors. Market characteristics refers to the preferences, the taste, attitude, and expectations of the customers. Brand image is the kind of uh, thinking or image which the customer carries for a particular brand. Forecasting research is just predicting how many units of goods will be sold in future. Sales analysis is analyzing the sales by territory, by product. Okay, and business trend is changes in the sales, for example, changes in the total number of sales during the last or past 5 years. So that can be the business trend research. Next is problem solving research. It covers segmentation research, product research, promotion research, pricing research, and distribution research. Let's see each problem solving research in detail. Thank you. For any queries, you can write to me at cloudcampus@gmail.com, and do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.